guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Krish, and I'm part of Team 183A Brute Force, and we're part of FTC. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys some information of why we use CAD, and I'm going to teach you guys a little skill of creating a sketch and how to extrude stuff. So, let me tell you some background knowledge when it comes to CAD. CAD, or computer-aided design, is mostly used for making a blueprint for whatever you want to make, or even making what you want to make come true, thanks to 3D printing. CAD is pretty much just 3D modeling when it comes to it, and some people could use it for construction, engineering, and planning. So whenever it comes to engineering, if you have a solution, you definitely want to use the engineering design process. Is that you should always make a design before you actually start, after you start testing. So this is where you go to design that solution. When it comes to construction, you're always going to need a blueprint of where to put things. That's with the help with CAD. And then the last thing is, when it comes to city planning, if you ever want to make something new or anything like that, you're going to need to use CAD in order to start that. So whenever it comes to the engineering design process, CAD mostly comes when you're trying to make a design. You can use sketches, or even after that you make CAD models. For example, since I'm part of a robotics team, or FTC, as you know, for this season of Power Play, we have to make a capping beacon. So we decided to use CAD to make those different types of things. Let me pull it up real quick. As whenever we use CAD, we used it to make a very durable capping element, because 3D printing does work out very well. So some ideas or constraints which we came up with: it has to be 3x3x3, and the max should be 4x4x4. It also should grip our claw very nicely, and it should be kind of like a sleeve. If you guys know, for power play, you also have to use a signal sleeve when it comes to the identification with the parking. So we decided to use that type of sleeve and decided to put it in there. So as we can see here, as I pull this up, this is like a castle tower. This is how I was taking my approach. As we see here, if we go to inspect, you can see this is 3.65 inches. This is 3.65 inches. And the last thing here, it is 3.178 inches. So you can tell that we've created the constraint, which works really well with the constraint of having a 3x3x3 for the castle tower. So now I'm going to show you guys how to create a sketch and how to extrude. So if we go to the create sketch tab, you can make whatever you need. Like for example, if you want to make some kind of like cylinder, you just go to a circle here. You just go here, you create that, and then you go to finish sketch. And there's something called extruding. Whenever you extrude, it means to add depth. So it's gonna be the same thing here. So whenever it comes to like the different types of functions like revolving, mirroring, and extruding, it'll pretty much be the same thing as the definition. As we can see here, we can go this way or this way. We can go a certain amount. Let's go about 3 inches. Let's go about 3 inches. Sorry, 3 inches. And voila, we have a cylinder. What if we want to make something else now? A cylinder is we can make way more than just a cylinder when it comes to it. So then we can make anything out of lines. For example, if you want to make like some kind of triangle, you just sketch it out, connect the points, go here, press finish sketch, go to, sorry, that's revolve. We'll learn that later when it comes to this. We go to extrude, we do this, and voila, you have this too. What if you guys want to make? What if you guys want to make a house even? Let's go here. You guys can just stretch. You guys can just sketch it out. How you guys think your house should be like? This might not be the greatest drawing, but that's okay. It's based on how you guys want to make it. It's your imagination. And check it out. You guys can make anything. when it comes to CAD, if you just know a few skills of like how to extrude, how to use these different types of planes, how to use all these different types of modifying to create all these things. So you guys can pretty much make all your ideas come true, or at least see a little simulation of it. Now let's try some practice. Why don't you try to make a box? Once you guys make the box, pause the video, you guys make the box, and then come back and check yourself. Alright, so let's start off with making a rectangle. Let's go to finish sketch. And then let's go to this extrude tab. Let's go forward a little bit. And then voila, we have a box technically. You can also use different other types of tools. Like I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. Go to shell here. If you want, how much you guys want to shell this by? Make a box. You can put your stuff here. And voila. Let's do one more practice one. So next, let's try to make. Let's see here. What could be something which we can do? Try to make a star, maybe. Try to make a star. Come back, check yourself. Alright, now let's just try to start drawing the star. There we go. That's not the greatest drawing of star, but that's okay. And now let's extrude everything. And if you guys want to extrude something which has like multiple bodies, you're going to have to click all of them and just press extrude. There you go. So I hope you guys understand this, and today's idea was to give you guys some background knowledge of what CAD is, give you a little intro, and teach you one of the foundations when it comes to CAD. This will be a series, and we'll teach you how to make holes, how to shell, how to make all these different types of planes, how to revolve anything, and a lot of things on CAD. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Like and subscribe if you guys want to if you guys want to learn how to do more CAD. And I'll see you later, guys. Peace.